Decided to go with a different pump company since there seems to be a lot of them now. This is a DC solar pump. Model number comes in a wood crate. And this is it. Have a user's manual. And this is the pump itself. Real nice. Not too heavy. About like the other one. Maybe a little lighter. And I have 3 wires coming and going to the pump. Put this down. Now is the important part you probably need to see. The top part. I have a place for a ring or cable, and I have a pipe fitting to go straight out. Oh look, I have two connections there. So places for probably put some rings in. Okay, this is the spare pump, so we're not going to do anything with it. And it does come with a bunch of wires and clips and stuff. That's right, it did have a tank thing. That's what all the wires are for. They go to the controller. The controller here. I'm gonna have to put this down. There we go. The controller box. It's very interesting. I'll be putting this one in, but like I said, it's the backup. Got a fan on it, so. And we got our connections to go in. And I can use, I got the same voltage pump. So this is a, it's between 24 volts and 40 volts, I believe. I think we have, this is got to be the power from the solar panels. I needed 100, I needed 200 in solar panels to run this, and I have 180. I think it was the other way around. This is a 200. Anyway, you can look at the model and look it up. So the solar panels go in here. This thing, these wires are the connection for this. That float goes in the tank. I take that back. This is not for the float. This is to go down along with the pump so that it will shut off in case your water level runs low. Yep, that's what it was for. Okay, this is going to be interesting to work with. Anyway, that's the backup pump for whenever that other new one goes out. The thing about this whole unit here was a lot less money than just the pump alone on the other one. I'll go inside in a minute and we'll check that out. Okay, here's the first one I bought nearly 4 years ago, and this first one was made of bullet aluminum. Since then, the 2 years ago when I bought that other one, it was stainless steel, a bit more heavier than the first one. But this first one lasted almost 2 years. Then they rebuilt it or fixed it. It got water in it, so they did fix it. In the meantime, I had ordered a new one, put their new one down there, and about 30 days later, the new one went bad. So wow, that was really bad. And the new one was more money than this. I didn't find the price. Here's another one I found, the complete system. The solar panels and the controller box and the pump itself. I think this was $15.99, and yeah, we go to another one here. It has its own controller box and the pump, and you see a lot of people selling these units together, and they're using the same pump. So, and here's the one that I bought. Why? The price tag, it was $308. The pump and the controller box, and it works with my system. It says it's 24 volt and 140 watt solar panels. So 12 to 40 volts, I think it says, and I don't know how that voltage stuff works, but it'll run on any of that. So that worked out real good. This is the one I just showed you in the box. It came packed up really nice. So fortunately, the expensive one here decided not to go with it, guys. That's a reason. So if you're wondering why this customer went somewhere else, the price is really low. Okay, that's it on the pump situation. There's a lot more of these solar pumps out there on the market now than there was when I just put that first one in 4 years ago. So now they're just like all over the place. So if you don't need to I go too deep, and well, even some of those, they went 500 feet. So check them out if you're doing a water pumping situation. And I'll get around to plugging that one I tore apart up and see if it still works. But I see no reason to send it back and get an old one, get that repaired, and just go with the new one, see how long it lasts. Anyway, that was a very expensive. If you talk about price, that's 2 brand new pumps at which is about $11,000. I think the first one was even more than that. So even if you went with $2,400 and you divided that up into 4 years, that would be like $50 a month for water. So that's not bad. You didn't have to pay the electric bill. So you didn't have to pay people for the water bill. That's all I have on the pumps. Thanks for watching.